Look, that's that's Mena behind the scenes. I won't quickly look at you know, in the movie, that like Aladdin looks so weird, but without like the makeup thing with this normal, his side looks much more better. I'll give it. Is Agrabah even a place, or you just made it up? Is Agrabah even a place, or you just made it up?
Made up.
You know, in the movie, they're like couples. In real life, they actually are. Yeah, look. See? Yeah, look.
What is it?
Proof, yeah, cause you know what? When like Mena was singing in his dress, like and after that Nomi said think baby was like that. Yeah, look, see, look. Okay, look, it's our part. These are not the movie parts. These are the couple things. You can know actually. Funny and cute. Part 2. It's mine, all mine. See, they're always sitting beside each other. You're too late. Savage. It's like, oh, that movie, but you aren't in that day. See, look.